everybody, my name is Jen Jones. Gail Dobosz here. This is the new dance, Unashamed. It is a 16 count, 4-wall dance. It has 3 easy restarts. We're going to turn around, we're going to do a quick walkthrough for you and turn this off and demo it. Here we go. Hands on that left. You're going to step to the right, rock, recover. Step left, rock, recover. Then we're going to add our on the rocks. Side together, forward, side together, back. Now we're going to do back touches. The back and touch, back and touch, back and touch, back and touch. We're going to do a 3/4 walk around over that right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your whole dance. So now we're going to do it facing back 2 with the count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your whole dance.